Guatemala is a hidden gem in Central America. It is a land of vibrant Mayan culture, ancient ruins like Tikal, and jaw-dropping landscapes from lush jungles to active volcanoes. But here's a quirky fact: Guatemalan women are among the shortest in the world, averaging around 4'11". This compact nation's beauty lies not just in its scenery but also in its rich traditions, colorful markets, and warm, welcoming people. Curious yet? So stay tuned until the end because one of the last fact will definitely leave you speechless. Number 10. Population diversity, a mosaic of culture. Guatemala's population is a dazzling tapestry of cultures, with 24 ethnic groups creating a diverse and rich society. As of 2023, the population is estimated to be around 19 million people, making it the most populous country in Central America. The indigenous Maya make up a significant portion of the population, along with the Garifuna and Exinque people. Spanish is the official and most spoken language, but Guatemala thrives on linguistic diversity with over 20 indigenous languages like Quechua, Quechua, and Mam, still vibrantly spoken in everyday life. At the heart of it all is Guatemala City, the dynamic capital where old world charm meets modern chaos. It's a whirlwind of politics, business, art, and culture. The city pulses with activity, from bustling markets and lively festivals to government decisions that shape the nation's future. Here, skyscrapers share space with colonial architecture, and the streets buzz with a mix of tradition and rapid urban expansion. It's a place where history and the future collide in unexpected and fascinating ways. The capital, Guatemala City, is the largest urban center, home to approximately 3 million people in its metropolitan area. Guatemala has one of the highest birth rates in Latin America, with an average of 2.6 children per woman in 2023, although this figure has gradually decreased from earlier decades when fertility rates were significantly higher. Population growth has remained strong, with an annual growth rate of about 1.8%, which is above the global average. The country is also marked by a youthful population, with a median age of around 23 years. Over 50% of the population is under the age of 25, which presents both opportunities and challenges for economic growth, education, and social services. Number 9. Diverse geography from mountains to active volcanoes. Guatemala's geography is a wild, untamed adventure waiting to be explored. Picture this: towering mountains that pierce the clouds, lush rainforests alive with wildlife, and fiery, active volcanoes rumbling beneath the surface. The country boasts 37 volcanoes, including the notorious Volcan de Fuego, which regularly puts on an explosive show. High-altitude plateaus give way to dense jungles, where ancient Mayan ruins hide like forgotten secrets. Then there's Lake Atitlan, a mystical crater lake surrounded by volcanoes and indigenous villages, each with its own unique vibe. Guatemala's landscapes aren't just diverse, they're a thrilling, unpredictable journey through nature's extremes. Lake Atitlan, often called the most beautiful lake in the world, sits like a sparkling gem cradled by towering volcanoes and colorful Mayan villages. It's a place where time slows down and tradition thrives. Here, the locals, especially the women, known for their shorter stature, carry on vibrant cultural practices, weaving intricate textiles and maintaining ancient customs. It's a serene yet captivating blend of nature and tradition. Number 8. Socio-economic challenges, the resilience of the Guatemalan people. Guatemala grapples with profound socio-economic challenges. Poverty is rampant, with over half the population living below the poverty line. Access to basic needs like education, healthcare, and clean water is a daily struggle, especially in rural indigenous communities. Yet, the resilience of the Guatemalan people is nothing short of awe-inspiring. Despite economic hardships and political corruption, they rise. Women in particular play a central role, driving change while juggling tradition and survival. Grassroots movements push for progress, while communities lean on one another to overcome adversity. In a land shaped by hardship, Guatemala's spirit refuses to break, always fighting forward. Number 7. Agricultural economy, the heart of Guatemala. Guatemala's agricultural economy is the lifeblood of the nation, fueling its export markets and providing livelihoods for millions. From its world-renowned coffee beans grown in the highlands to bananas, sugar, and cardamom, agriculture drives nearly a quarter of the country's GDP. But it's not all lush fields and bountiful harvests. Small-scale farmers face tough realities like unpredictable weather, fluctuating global prices, and land inequality. Yet, the Guatemalan people press on, cultivating not just crops but resilience. Corn is a staple crop in Guatemala, deeply intertwined with the country's culture and daily life. It's the backbone of the traditional diet and a symbol of indigenous heritage. Small-scale farmers, often using ancient techniques, grow vast amounts of corn, particularly in rural areas. Women play a significant role in agriculture, especially in subsistence farming. In many indigenous communities, women not only help cultivate corn, beans, and other crops but also manage household gardens. In the fertile soils of this nation, hope grows alongside the coffee trees despite the challenges rooted deep in its economy. Number 6. Natural wonders. Guatemala is a treasure trove of natural wonders that ignite the imagination and stir the soul. Picture the breathtaking landscapes, from the majestic peaks of the Sierra Madre to the shimmering waters of Lake Atitlan, cradled by 3 towering volcanoes. Explore the lush jungles of the Piton region, where ancient Mayan ruins, like Tikal, peek through the dense foliage, reminding us of nature's power to reclaim its territory. But that's just the beginning. The country is dotted with stunning waterfalls, such as Semak Champe, where turquoise pools cascade down limestone formations. The bioluminescent waters of the Rio Dulce glimmer with an otherworldly glow at night. Plus, the vibrant biodiversity, home to exotic birds, monkeys, and jaguars, adds to the allure. In Guatemala, nature's wonders invite adventure and exploration, revealing the breathtaking beauty and rich heritage of this enchanting land. Number 5. Short stature of women. In Guatemala, the short stature of women has become a striking cultural hallmark, often embodying both beauty and strength. On average, Guatemalan women stand around 4'11", a height that's become synonymous with resilience in the face of adversity. This compactness doesn't just reflect genetic heritage, it tells a story of survival, tradition, and community. Additionally, socioeconomic challenges, including limited access to nutrition during critical growth periods, contribute to this characteristic height across generations. Dressed in vibrant traditional attire, these women navigate their daily lives with grace, often balancing the roles of caretakers, workers, and cultural custodians. They engage in agriculture, weaving, and local markets, showcasing their skills and preserving age-old customs. Despite facing societal challenges and stereotypes, their stature serves as a powerful reminder of their indomitable spirit. In a land where every inch counts, the heart of Guatemala beats loudly through its remarkable women, proving that strength comes in all sizes. Number 4. Traditional clothing and symbols of identity. Guatemala's traditional clothing is a vibrant tapestry of color and culture, each garment telling a story of heritage and identity. Women often wear traje, a stunning ensemble featuring intricately woven blouses called huiles, adorned with geometric patterns and symbols that reflect their community and beliefs. These colorful textiles are typically paired with coats, skirts that fall elegantly to the ankles, showcasing a rainbow of patterns. Men's attire, while simpler, often includes woven shirts and trousers, complemented by hand-woven sashes. The craftsmanship is astounding, with techniques passed down through generations, revealing the artistry of skilled weavers. During festivals and celebrations, these garments come alive, embodying a sense of pride and connection to ancestral roots. In Guatemala, traditional clothing isn't just fashion, it's a living expression of history, culture, and the enduring spirit of its people. Number 3. Culture wealth, a fusion of ancient and modern traditions. Guatemala's cultural wealth is a dazzling fusion of ancient and modern traditions, where the echoes of the past harmonize with contemporary life. This vibrant tapestry is woven from the rich heritage of the Maya, evident in stunning ruins like Tikal and the intricate ceremonies that continue to thrive today. Traditional music, dance, and vibrant festivals, such as Dia de los Muertos, celebrate ancestral spirits while showcasing the community's resilience and joy. Yet, Guatemala is not just a relic of history, it pulses with modern influences, from lively urban art scenes in cities like Antigua to culinary innovations that blend traditional ingredients with global flavors. The markets buzz with energy, where handcrafted textiles, pottery, and jewelry reflect the artistic soul of the nation. In this land of contrasts, every corner reveals a story, a celebration of identity that embraces both the ancient and the new, making Guatemala a truly captivating cultural mosaic. Guatemala celebrates vibrant festivals like Dia de los Muertos, honoring deceased loved ones with colorful altars and festivities. Semana Santa, Holy Week, features elaborate processions and stunning carpets made of sawdust. The Feria de Santiago showcases traditional music, dance, and food, while the Festival de Rabin Ajo celebrates indigenous culture and heritage. Number 2. Religion, a fundamental pillar in Guatemalan life. Guatemala's religious landscape is a captivating blend of ancient Mayan beliefs and vibrant Catholicism, creating a unique spiritual tapestry. The influence of indigenous spirituality remains deeply rooted, with many Mayans practicing traditional rituals that honor nature and ancestral spirits, often intertwining these practices with Catholic celebrations. For instance, during Semana Santa, the solemnity of Holy Week meets the exuberance of indigenous traditions, creating breathtaking processions that feature stunningly crafted floats, rich textiles, and elaborate alfombras, intricate carpets made from colored sawdust and flowers. In rural areas, you'll find sacred sites where shamans conduct ceremonies to heal, seeking guidance from both Mayan gods and Catholic saints. This fusion of faiths illustrates the resilience of indigenous culture amid centuries of colonization, revealing a people who honor their heritage while embracing new beliefs. In Guatemala, religion is not merely a matter of faith, it's a living expression of history, identity, and community spirit. Number 1. Mayan innovation, a lasting legacy. Guatemala is a treasure trove of Mayan innovation, showcasing a remarkable legacy that stretches back thousands of years. The ancient Maya were not only skilled architects but also brilliant astronomers and mathematicians. Their most iconic achievement, the majestic pyramids and temples of Tikal, demonstrate advanced engineering techniques and an understanding of geometry that still astounds modern architects. But the Mayas' ingenuity extends far beyond stone and structure. They developed a sophisticated calendar system, precise in its measurement of celestial movements, allowing them to predict solar and lunar events with stunning accuracy. This astronomical prowess influenced agricultural practices, guiding the planting and harvesting of crops like maize, which remains a staple of Guatemalan life today. The Maya were exceptional artisans, creating intricate textiles and pottery that are both functional and beautiful. Each woven piece tells a story, reflecting the rich cultural identity of various communities. Even today, Many Guatemalan artisans continue these ancient techniques, preserving the past while adapting to contemporary needs. In essence, the innovation of the Mayan civilization is not just a relic of history, it's a living testament to the creativity and resilience of the Guatemalan people who carry these traditions forward into the modern world.